Wait a minute, hold it. It's September 29th, 2022. Post Ian. Let's see, I'm driving over some stuff here. I'm going over to my buddy's house to check it out, but let's try second gear. That'll be a little better. This is a new house under construction over here. And it was just, they had, oh my God, check this out. They had all the block up, but they didn't pour the lintels yet, obviously, and it blew all the block down. Look at that. Unbelievable. There's the front door, the precipice or whatever that alcove thing is on the, this is a separate house here. Two houses blew the block down. Unbelievable. Well, if I need any block, there they are. We're in Princeton and Stacy here. And yeah, all the trees everywhere are just smashed, shattered, tops ripped off. We were out here this morning already, but we didn't have any phones. Nothing's charged. Had to get my generator going. Had to clean the carburetor out about 3 days. Well, now that one, see, that has the lentils poured on that, so that's all tied together with steel and a ring of concrete around the top. But those other houses that didn't have that yet got blown over. Alright, we're coming up on 776 here, South Mcall Road. And this is Princeton in South Mcall. Ooh, that's a second gear there with no clutch. Alright, wow, yeah, it looks a little more bare. Oh, let's try third gear. There we go. Gears are like, you got to move that thing around and get it in the right spot there. All the stop signs are bent over. Most street signs are down. Yield signs are all bent. All the street signs. Man, look at all this. Everything's just kind of like scoured off the tops. There's no power. There's no. Okay, yeah, just jump over there in front of me, buddy. No problem. You got these light poles down here, and these big aluminum cables. Well, yeah, those are high tension wires, I guess. Oh, yeah, there's going to be a lot of good scrapping out there for a few days. I don't know. Is anybody still scrap? I think price of, ooh, there's a big aluminum pole right there. Yeah, don't steal that stuff. I'm telling you right now, don't do it. Looks like it's free, but they will not like that. Oh, billboards are down. Whoa, gotta stay on the road. All the conduit roads over here got some flooding on them. People texting me. Very famous now. Wow, look at all that water. Yeah, the water was 2 foot deep in the middle of our road, but it's all gone this morning. Coming up on Spinnaker here at 776. Sherwin-Williams there. Let me change lane here. There's another billboard down there. Shredded. Here's the old Spinnaker. Yeah, all the signs are gone everywhere. Everybody's signs are out. Alright, you treat it as a four-way stop, but if there's nobody there and everybody else going, you don't just sit there. People will figure it out eventually. They didn't have gas there. I wonder what everybody's doing there. Oh, beer and soda. Batteries to go. They're not open. Wow, all the awnings are off the front of the building. Oh, Winn-Dixie lost the roof, it looked like. Alright, I gotta take a left up here, or right up here. Thanks for coming out today. Fucking idiot. I don't know what driving down the other side of the road does, but I can see my buddy's house. Oh, there's his oak tree. Wow. Ooh. Well, it's not on his house, I don't think. Got a huge oak tree.